Welcome to Concrete Step Pour Part 7. Alright guys, so I'm continuing to place and finish this concrete pad and steps. This is part 6 of a series of videos I've done on replacing these concrete steps. Be sure to check out the previous videos where you can watch the demolition and rebuild. Let's get started. So if you're wondering what kind of tools I'm using, I've actually put a list of tools I'd use in the description below. What I'm doing right here is I'm just actually spinning the float in a circular sort of an S shape to get the surface area flat. This technique will give you a very flat area to work with, especially when you're doing small pads and you can't fit a screed in. It's just a lot quicker and more accurate to just spin the float like that. So this works well when you're doing large steps or just really tight areas you can't get into. I'll check the concrete numerous times with the float and just kind of feel out the concrete, feel out the ridges and the low spots, and do that circular sort of technique to finish the concrete flat. When I do these concrete pours, I'll always keep the tools I need within close reach. What I'm using here is a concrete finishing aid. This product slows down the evaporating moisture. Without this product, it can be very difficult to properly finish these concrete slabs. It works extremely well on windy days and very hot, dry conditions. The game of concrete requires thinking ahead, planning, and a lot of organization for a successful outcome. As we get closer to the end of the pour, the ready mix operator and I will discuss when to cut off the concrete. I'll always keep a wheelbarrow and a pail nearby, just in case there's leftover concrete. So it's really important just to know how much that chute's holding and how much concrete you still have to put in, because you can end up with a lot of concrete left over if you don't time it properly. Right now that concrete is setting up quite quickly, and you'll see me start to pick up my pace a little bit. The seesaw sort of technique acts as a miniature screed and helps flatten the area out. Pounding down on the concrete with the float also helps. So right now we're just discussing just how much concrete we're going to need to finish up this project. So I always like to pull the concrete back to the furthest point, just to make sure that I don't put too much in. Basically what you're doing is you're filling up a bowl and you're starting from the outside area in to make sure that your area is going to be flat in the middle as well. And what I'm doing right now is just using this cordless vibrator to help flatten and bring up some of the moisture to the top for later. When I'm pouring concrete, I always like to make sure the edges are all done first before pouring more concrete. Alright guys, so you can just see how windy it is. The plant's on the left and the right, and the plants are in the top left corner. They're blowing pretty hard. The wind is it's pretty strong, and the sun's starting to pick up some heat, so I got to get this thing done. So at this point I just asked the ready mix operator give me 4 more shovelfuls of concrete. A lot of the time these guys are really good with their volumes. They know what 5 shovelfuls are and what a full wheelbarrow is, so they really know what they're doing, and a big shout out to all the ready mix operators out there. Alright guys, so this concrete's a 4-inch slump and it's really starting to set up, so this circular motion is really going to help. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe, comment and share. And also, if you're in the Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge, Guelph area and you need concrete work done, visit my website at theartofconcrete.ca. Thanks for watching, and click to continue watching.